tell him to go down the slide?
I think he's not.
You don't think he wants to go down the slide?
No. Look, this is Mommy and Daddy. Mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy. Down. I said get down. Get down there.
He's trying, he can't make his mind up.
Good. He wants snack. There we go.
Whoa, there he goes. That's weird. Is that a little otter?
That's Zootopia. That's on Zootopia. Oh, this is Zootopia. He says Zootopia. Zootopia. I want to watch it.
You do?
Yeah. It's going up. It's coming up. It won't go up and down.
He's looking at you, buddy. Scratching his ear.
Yeah, it's got ear boogers. Got ear boogers. Got ear boogers. Brown. This is too brown. This is brown and black.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good job.
you just got. What you have in your mouth? Oh. That's just
Look, Jackson's in the
Finger.
cage.
I'm in cage. I'm in cage. I'm on I think. Come here,
What? Are you gonna climb like a monkey?
Pick me up. You forgot to pick me up.
Yeah, I said you go one time, like, because London will have coupons to get you in. Yeah, London will have coupons to go in, except when you get vehicles.
I'll pet him. I'm coming.
Thank you, support.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.